Well, guys, let's see the trash we're going to pick up today. What's up, MotherFishers? This is day 34 of fishing until I have 10,000 followers or I get sponsored by Bass Pro Shops. There's only one rule to my challenge, and that's before I catch, I gotta clean. Let's go. Okay, MotherFishers, now that we clean, let's see what we can catch. Ah, damn, I missed one, y'all. Okay, MotherFishers, that's it for day 34 of the Clean Catch Challenge. We can't always catch them, but we can always clean. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back again tomorrow for day 35. Just hit our first 1,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you so much for the support, MotherFishers. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that follow.